to our container gardening in the backyard deck. Today I am going to show you how to plant red amaranth. To plant red amaranth, we need this type of container, which is very nice, and I got it from Home Depot. And then we need soil, and this is the second time actually we are using. You can see some kind of roots here, and we get the soil from Home Depot, which is called potting mix. And then we also need seeds, and we bought it from Amazon. The first we need to level the soils, and then what you need to do, you need to do soils and put it nicely. Do not put everything in a one place. So now what I will do, I will add some soil on top of it. Do not add more soil, and then maybe it will be difficult to get to germinate. So add little bit of soil on top of it. You can put some water on it. So it will help you to germinate quickly. And then now you can cover it up with the old cloth and keep it in a shaded area for 3 days, and after 3 days you see the seeds will germinate. Normally we plant red amaranth every 2 weeks. So here I am going to show you this one, which is we plant 6 days ago, and this is around 15-16 days ago, and this is around 1 month ago. So now I will show you how big it is. So you can see it's very big. Today I will collect some red amaranth to eat. Okay. we are used to eat this kind of red amaranth. In our country we call lal shak or data shak. Since we are not able to get it from here, so that's why actually I thought that it would be a better idea to plant here. So I went Home Depot and I found this container, and I checked Amazon and I found the seeds. I thought that we can do that here. So it's really yummy. You can see I collect this today, so we can eat this even if we are here. So at least we can eat some kind of red amaranth or lal shak or data shak. Thank you for watching this video.